Okay, guys, we are back on the TFS 270s. First off, I need to apologize to my buddy Brian Salter. Don't ever make a video when you're aggravated because it sounded like I was blaming Brian, and that is absolutely not the case. I did mention that he likes polished chambers on some of his race stuff, but he had no influence on me polishing the chambers on these heads. That came from other parties, and I think we're going to have a conversation about that with those other parties. But I got on the phone with Brian today, and there was only a small amount of steam coming out of his ears at that point. And he's like, it's so funny. 3 separate people said to me, between when I did that video yesterday and today, Charlie, you need to check your calibration on your bench. One of them was Whiffy. Don't mess with Whiffy. She knows. The other was Brian, then it was Stevie. I did check the bench. The bench is good. It was actually a touch low on the high rangers 5 and 6. So that's been fixed. What we did, if you notice that the squares are a little bit bigger because I did have to gasket match it. There's actually 2 flows I think I'm going to show you guys. One was I gave it just a little more area in the pinch when I did the gasket match. I had to go over the texture on the pushrod side again because it got all banged up. The floor was retextured. The sidewall is not. It's a little bit smoother texture, and you can see the roof has got that real rough texture. And I did all that for a reason. So I should go back. What Brian said was, Charlie, I'm going to send you a picture. Take a look at your top cut. Sure enough, I polished part of my top cut off when I did the chambers. So the second flow you guys are going to see is with that top cut put back. It's a very shallow top cut because I don't want to ruin the seat. The seat is good where it is, and they're all the same height. They were just touched to get the concentricity back where they absolutely should be. They were pretty good from trick flow, but I want them right where I want them. What I think we're going to do is I'm going to turn off my light. You're going to see where it's set. We're set at about 720, almost 725 lift, which is a little bit high, but I think that's about where these peaked out. Well, this one port did anyway at this point. So you guys get to see that, and I think I want to run the string through that for you guys, and then we'll look at some flows, and we'll call it a night. Okay, guys, I believe this is the last one you saw. That was when I just retextured the chamber, and I got some back. Okay, so I had to do the gasket match, so I had to add a little area to the pinch in the roof. And the chamber is the same as here. So we can compare these to these. Down, up a touch, up a touch, up a touch, up the tiniest amount. 248.1 is a really good number at 300. And we are completely accurate at 300 lift. When I say 300, I mean 300 calibration plate was right on the money. All my calibration plates were right on the money. Like I said, I just had to do 5 and 6. I had to bring them up a little bit. They were 4 CFM low. Okay, up a touch, up the tiniest amount, down, down a touch, down a touch. Okay. So you guys saw that. Okay, let me make sure I'm on the right one. So this is the last one we did. Okay, and these are the last airspeeds we did. This is, sorry guys. 19 noon, 9 a.m. Okay, so this is the later one. So we did better in the mid-range. We lost a little bit up top. Now, between then and the next day, I actually did the video with that, right? I don't remember, sorry. In any case, what we're going to do is we're going to compare just doing the top cut. Nothing else was done to this, okay? This other work was already done before. So I just touched the top cut. So we can compare these directly. Plus, same, almost the same. Down a touch, down a touch, down a touch, plus a touch, plus, big plus, plus, plus. This is what we wanted. We wanted to fix this. Okay, 247 at 300 is still a really good number with a 219 valve. Okay, and I'm going to re-emphasize these numbers you see twice, guys. These you only see once, okay? I don't know how big a cam we're going to stuff in this. I'm thinking 750. That doesn't mean the cam guys are going to put a 750 cam in it. I'm not a cam expert. All right, you want to see how the swirl changed? Went down a touch, went down a touch, went down a touch, went down a touch. It changes the way it comes out around the periphery of the valve. Down a touch, down a touch, down a touch, down a touch. A little bit low right here, see, because it's losing it on the short side here. It's not losing it on the short side because we don't dump down. This is a much better setup. And I can't thank Brian enough for talking me through it. He talked me down. It was a bad day yesterday. I should not have made a video. Okay, and then we start losing it on the short side at 800. Okay, so we can compare these airspeeds to these airspeeds. Up, down, same, up a tiny bit, up a tiny bit, down a tiny bit, down a tiny bit, up a tiny bit. Overall, really good numbers as far as I'm concerned. If you don't think these are good numbers, write it in the comments and we will talk about it. I think this is the way it's going to fly. 370, I don't know what exactly they're getting out of the new 295s, but I would like to measure them on my bench because I know my bench is right. And at 371 within a usable lift where it doesn't crash after that lift, I'm quite happy. I'm really glad Brian helped me out with this. And it's the silliest thing. I just didn't think I hit that top angle, but I did. And he showed me the picture of it. It's like, look, Charlie, you whacked this upper seat. And I'm like, I bet if you put it back, you'll gain what you lost. So as far as the texture in the chamber, I want to do a cartridge roll on the intake port side. The rest of it can stay polished. If the owner has a problem with that, get in touch with me. Other than that, thanks for hanging out, guys. Brian, I appreciate your help and your friendship. You're the best. And have a good night, guys. Thanks a lot.